Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful mohair baby girl hat with flower. So I'm starting with chain 4. And I close the ring with slip stitch here. Chain 3, and I will make 12 double crochet into the ring. And I have my round 1 with 13 double crochet. Now I'm going to make round 2. I make 1, 2, 3 chain, yarn over, and I will make 1 double crochet in first stitch, yarn over, and in the next stitch I will make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over, and I will make again 2 double crochet in next stitch, yarn over, 2 double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochet. So in each stitch you have to make 2 double crochet. The join is slip stitch. So this is round 2. Now I'm going to make round 3. Make chain 3, yarn over, and make 1 double crochet in first stitch. So I have 2 double crochet for this stitch, yarn over, 1 double crochet in next stitch, yarn over, 2 double crochet in next stitch. You repeat these 2 steps to the end of the round. So you make 1 double crochet in next and 2 double crochet in next, yarn over, 1 double crochet in next, yarn over, and 2 double crochet in next. So this third round is ready now, and I will start with the V-stitch. I make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, skip this first stitch, and in the next make 1 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch and make 1 more double crochet. This is the V stitch. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch, and in the next you repeat this step. 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. I'm going to make the next round, chain 3, yarn over, and I will make 1 V-stitch into the next V-stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, and 1 double crochet in same stitch. Yarn over. In the next space I will make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, yarn over, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, yarn over, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet in same stitch, yarn over, chain 1, and double crochet. And finish with double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet in last space. And the next round is ready. I have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds with this pattern. I continue. I'm going to make the next round, chain 3, V-stitch into the first V-stitch from previous row, chain 1, 1 double crochet, I just finished round 7. And I continue with round. For round 11 I make chain 1 and I make 1 single crochet into the first stitch here, 1 single crochet into the space of the V-stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in V-stitch. I finish this round 8 with slip stitch here, crochet into the first stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch and make single crochet. So you have to make single crochet in each stitch to the end of round. This is the back side and this is the front side. So make a foundation chain, yarn over, skip 5, chain 1, 2, 3, 5, and in the 6th you make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, chain, and in the 3rd you make 1 double crochet and chain 2, yarn over, and 1 double crochet. So you make vest stitch, but between the 2 double crochet you have chain 2, yarn over, skip 2 chain, and into the next you make vest stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. So the first row is finished. I have one last single crochet here, but it is not a problem. It will be useful when I finish the flower. I'm turning my work and I make 1 single crochet into the first space. I make chain 1, yarn over, and I'll crochet 5 double crochet into the first space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I make 1 single crochet into the same space. I continue in the next space. I make 1 single crochet, chain 1, yarn over, and I will make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet into the same space. One single crochet in the next space, chain 1, yarn over, and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I make 1 single crochet in same space. Single crochet into the last space, chain 1, this is my flower. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to have more crochet ideas. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in my next video.